think that wiffle ball game's more intense than our practice. Just saying. Here we go. Back. Attaboy. Good. Good. Hey, use the bag as a shield, get in front. And then adjust to the baseball after that, right?
3, 3, 3.
Good. Good. Got room. It's good. It's on the line. Attaboy! Go, buck it up. All right. You got to take your left foot off the bucket. I'm going to tell you, you're going to take one person off. That one person is going to run a pole. Oh, one person's got to go. Who is it?
Hey, Hunter, you don't got to sprint when you're done.
Hey, 3 hard sprints and you can jog out. I mean, 3 hard steps, you jog out. Ready? Go. 3 hard, up. Good. Go. 3 hard ones and up. Cage 1, we're going front toss. 2 and 3 will be machine. 4 will be front toss again. Then we'll have 5 on be on the tee area. All right, break and get out.
Dawgs to me, Dawgs 3, 1, 2, 3, go! Hey, you got to stop moving down camera.